manganese oxide, and the rust and brown color is iron oxide. Now the fourth color you will see is green, and that is on the ceiling here. This is what we call cave moss or cave algae. This is actually not natural to our caverns. It is only due to the artificial lighting we have installed. So that mixes with the moisture of the cave and creates this moss or algae. Now I know that was a lot of information, so do you guys have any questions?
Are they still growing?
Some of them are still growing. The ones that are still wet, which we'll see at the next stop, some of them are wet. It means they're still actively growing. The ones that are dry are dormant. So they're not currently growing. Like these, they're dry, so they're dormant. But if water were to reach them again, they would still continue to grow. It's just that they're taking a break, I guess. The water distributes differently now than it did 130 some years ago when they first discovered it. But some of the caverns is still growing. Yes, sir. We won't see a river, but we're going to see a lake. Yes, sir.
How do they grow?
How do they grow? When water, like, it's raining outside right now. Okay, so 3 days from now, that rainwater is going to be dripping down here. So when that water comes through, it mixes with all the different minerals, like I told you, the calcite, the magnesium, and then the iron. And the water deposits those minerals onto formations, and they harden into rock. So it's kind of like an icicle. As water runs over an icicle, it freezes. It's kind of how these are. As it runs over, it hardens into rock. So they get bigger.